Welcome to Vox Weather. So here's three questions I've been asked about the weekend's weather. Firstly, is there a massive storm approaching Gauteng? Secondly, can we expect any snow this weekend? And thirdly, the southeast is blowing in Cape Town, so that means no rain for the Western Cape? Well, let's see. Let's start with our wind forecast showing this strong easterly wind expected to gust overnight into Saturday morning along the southern coastline and spreading along the east coast late on Saturday, reaching the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. That northeaster will continue to blow most of Sunday along the east coast, but then winds will start to turn southwesterly along the coast of the Eastern Cape and later reaching KwaZulu-Natal, with winds also picking up over the western and central parts of South Africa. Our synoptic analysis showing a few morning showers are likely to move over Gauteng, the Free State and KwaZulu-Natal, and then very isolated afternoon to late afternoon thunderstorms expected over northwest as well as yet again the Free State, Lesotho, parts of KwaZulu-Natal and surrounding areas. But then on Sunday we do have this weak cold front brushing the coastline, quickly weakening only to bring in some light rain for the southern coastline and a ridging high extending over the interior expected to bring stormy conditions later for the interior of South Africa, including the Free State, the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape, as well as Lesotho and over the Drakensberg. And for those of you wondering, yes, there is a likelihood of light flurries falling over the high mountainous areas of Lesotho this weekend, but falling with rain, the snow will most likely quickly melt. And if there's any snow, only light flurries likely over the high mountain peaks and will quickly melt as soon as thunderstorms move over the vicinity. On a Saturday, a few morning showers likely over the east as well as in KwaZulu-Natal, and then isolated thunderstorms expected from the afternoon over northwest, the Free State and parts of the Eastern Cape. And then on Sunday, that weak cold front brushing the coastline only to bring in some drizzle for the peninsula as well as the Overberg and the southern coastline, a light rain possible, and then isolated thunderstorms will continue to extend from Namibia over northwest, and that trough will bring down scattered thunderstorms over the Free State, parts of the Eastern Cape becoming stormy over Lesotho and the western and southern areas of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be a mild Saturday morning for South Africa with temperatures in the mid-teens, a low of 16 in Bloemfontein and 13 expected in Johannesburg, quickly heating up the afternoon with a high of 37 degrees in Upington. It's here in the Northern Cape where it's going to be extremely hot, also windy, so the South African Weather Service is warning against the possibility of runaway fires this Saturday. A comfortable 26 in Cape Town, 25 in George. It's mostly cloudy at first with light showers likely in KwaZulu-Natal as well as Gauteng. Late temperatures peaking in the mid-20s and a cooler day in store for the Lowveld. Looking ahead into Sunday, still hot in the Northern Cape. Thankfully, temperatures a few degrees lower with a high of 32 in Upington, 34 in Kimberley, also 32 expected in Bloemfontein. Warmer in Gauteng with 29 degrees in Pretoria, and hot and humid weather returns to KwaZulu-Natal with temperatures above 30 degrees. But due to that weak cold front, it's going to be a cooler over the coastal areas of the Western and Eastern Cape with maximum temperatures in the lower 20s. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.